Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to add WhatsApp button on my website. So for this, I am here on my website. So we want to add a WhatsApp button here. So for this, let's open a new tab here and search for elfsite.com. Now here you find this widgets option, click on it and then we have this WhatsApp chat. Click on WhatsApp chat and then this page will open. Now you need to scroll down and from there you can edit your widget and also you can change the template or choose a template that you want to add. So once you choose the template, then click on continue with this template. Once you click, now here you need to enter the number of WhatsApp that you want to connect. So let me enter the phone number here and after that click on add to website for free. So now the widget is saved and here we have this publish option. Click on publish and your changes are published. Now we have four plans here, but we will go with the free one here. So click on select and here we have this code. Simply click on copy code and then the code will be copied. Now go to your website. Now here we have this edit option on the top. Click on edit. Once you click on edit, now you need to scroll down to the end and there you find this add section option. Click on it and now click on add a blank section. So a section will be added. Now click on add block and scroll down. There we have this code option. So you need to choose code. Now double tap on hello world and here you need to paste that code that we just copied from the widget page. Press Ctrl plus V so the code will be added. And now here on the left side you find this preview in safe mode option. Click on it. Okay, so now here on the left side you will find this save option. Click on save and your editing will be saved. And now click on exit. Let's refresh our page and again go back to the end as we added the section in the end. So let's find out if the chat is added. So here the WhatsApp chat is added on our website. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe us. Thank you for watching. Bye.